Good morning, students. Today we are discussing Geography second chapter, Physical Features of India. Let us discuss this chapter. India has almost all physical features of the earth like mountain, plain, desert, plateau, island, etc. And India is also have vast desert, large rivers, deltas and extensive forest land. And formation of these features are related as formation of rocks. See, India has different types of rocks in India. Some are very hard and some are very soft. Now let us discuss. Some are very hard like marble, granite, etc. and some are soft like soap used for making calcium powder. Salts are found out of different types of rocks that why these are found in different colors from according to the place to place. The cause of this variation is due to differences of rock formation. So what is rock formation? Rock formation it is nothing but the result of weathering and erosion of existing rocks is known as rock formation. Next is theory of plate tectonics. So what is the theory of plate tectonics? Now let us discuss. So here Earth scientists have tried to describe the formation of physical features with the help of various theories. One such theory is known as theory of plate tectonics. Plate tectonics is a scientific theory that describes the large-scale motion of Earth's lithosphere. According to this theory, the Earth crust, that is the upper part, is made up of 7 major and 7 some minor lithospheric plates. So what is lithospheric plates? Lithospheric plates is nothing but pieces of rich land mass floating over liquid magma. Stresses with the plate and the continental rocks above resulted in the mountain of the plates. The movement of the plates leads to folding, faulting and volcanic activities. Now folding. Folding it is nothing but wrapping of rocks due to compressional forces. Faulting it is nothing but development of cracks and fractures of the earth's surface due to stress. So the three types of movement of these plates are: first plate, convergent boundary; second plate, divergent boundary; and third one, transform boundary. Now we will discuss one by one. Convergent boundary. When two plates move towards each other is known as convergent boundary. Divergent boundary, when two plates move away from each other, they form divergent boundary. Third one, when two plates have horizontally passed each other, they form transform boundary. See, in the figure we will discuss. See, convergent boundary. When two plates move towards each other, both the plates are moving each other, see, is known as convergent boundary. Divergent boundary, two plates move away from each other. See here some of the gaps were there. It's away from this, so this is divergent boundary. See, when two plates are horizontally moving, see this is transform boundary. First plate, second plate and third plate. When two plates collide, they may break into small pieces, slide one under the other in or move horizontally. See, when the two plates are collide with each other, they break out into a small pieces and silently it move horizontally. This movement of plate causes earthquake and the places where the plates meet. So it can also, when the plate moves, collide or into a small pieces, then earthquake may occur. Movement of these plates have changed the position and size of the continent over millions of years. They led to the evolution of the present land features of India. See, most volcanoes and earthquakes in the world are located as plate margin, but some due to occur with the plates. So, Now we will discuss about the 7 major physiographic divisions. What are the 7? Now we will discuss about the major physiographic divisions. So the major physiographic divisions are the Himalayan mountains, the northern plain, the peninsular plateau, the Indian desert, the coastal plain and the islands.